Hey everybody, today's a craft day at Known as Nutty Crafts. We are doing tie-dye, and this is something really cool that you can do with your grandkids or yourself or whatever. So I'm going to flip you around so you can see. So we took, these are the bath sheet towels, and now you could do this with masking tape, you know, on here, but we use these wood letters we found at, where did we find these at? Hobby Lobby? Yeah. Or Micheals, I think. And, you know, over in the wood section, they're thin. So, Cassadee, you want to pick up the letter and let's see what happened underneath the letter? Oh, hold on. Got to do some more coloring. Hold the bottle. All right, it's videoing. Don't hold it sideways like that. You got to go this way. So, Cassadee, let me show it in the picture. Now you can get these plastic tablecloths like from Dollar Tree to do it on if you want to, whatever. So we're just squirting it on. Oops.
Oh, Cassadee, that's
oh, let me
cool.
see. Take it away. Let us see. Wow. Cool. And then over here, we are in the process of doing shirts. So we have, is that your shirt?
The
long one's Bailee's, Cassadee's, mess up that one, and I'm gonna do one now. So what I did it like an accordion, sort of. Ooh, ant. And we're just gonna see what happens. We're just gonna go for it. So I like purple. I gotta start with purple. Purple. Well, let's squirt some purple on.
I think I messed up on my towel.
Why?
How can you mess up?
I did like boy colors.
Oh, put some yellow and put some pink in there.
Oh,
Watch what you're videoing. Put this, I don't know, it's like a light salmon-y color.
It's orange.
Is it orange?
Yeah.
Flip your shirt too to get it on the other side.
Do it on the other side.
Yeah, because it doesn't get all the way on.
See how much I know about tie-dyeing, y'all. Good God. Should have two gloves on, not one. Yeah. Oh well. My fingers will be the color they are.
That's a light purple you can use.
Okay. And this is a blue.
Navy blue.
See, look. This is what mine looks like. Mine just looks
Yeah,
like
don't
this.
put that on your clothes, please.
There's Cassadee.
I think I may need to redo my...
And try to hold up Bailee. This is Bailee's towel. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So as that's drying, I do recommend soap and water. Do them each individually. You could do it in a tub. It doesn't have to be in your washing machine. And do it once, each one separately, and then, you know, again, just to make sure you get all the dye out. All right. We'll see you later at Known as Nutty Crafts.